We have compulsory military service. I did not go. Because I'm a pussy.
I love it. How have you made a living up till this point? Before you were a comedian, what type of jobs did you have?
I was a bartender because of the pussy.
You love pussy. Is that an Estonian thing? Or
No.
Oh.
You ever heard of pussy, Tony?
Yeah. No. No, I've never heard of such a thing.
I don't know a lot about you, but comedians have told me some interesting things.
Oh yes, I'm gay. Is that what you heard?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. It seems to be the running joke about me. Anyway, what's up? What are you doing later? No, I'm kidding. So tell me more. What's your love life like? Are you
Really bad.
Do you love American women, or do you have a type?
I love. Oh, you know what I'm obsessed with right now? They don't want me, but the Latinos.